Unlocking the power of high caliber in English. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to unravel the meaning behind the phrase, high caliber. It's a term you might have heard in various contexts, and understanding it will certainly add a spark to your English vocabulary. High caliber is a phrase that originally comes from the world of firearms, where it refers to the diameter of the inside of a gun barrel. But don't worry, our discussion won't involve any actual guns. In everyday English, when we say something or someone is high caliber, we mean that they are of exceptional quality or ability. This phrase can be used to describe an array of subjects, from professionals to performances, to products. To truly grasp a phrase, it's best to see it in action. Let's look at some examples. 1. The company only hires high-caliber individuals, those who excel in their field. 2. That was a high-caliber performance. The musicians were extraordinary. 3. We need to submit a high-caliber proposal to win the client over. Notice how high-caliber elevates the subject it describes, implying superiority and distinction. Understanding synonyms can broaden your ability to express the concept of high caliber. Some synonyms include outstanding, superior, first-rate, top-notch. Each of these can be used interchangeably with high caliber in the right context. And that's a wrap on high caliber. Remember, adding phrases like this to your vocabulary can make your English sound more sophisticated and fluent. We hope you found this video enlightening and that you'll join us again for more insights into the English language. Happy learning, and see you next time!